What is the minimum length of DNA fragment in exogenote required for incorporation of the gene in the endogenote? A. 50 bp. B. 250 bp. C. 400 bp. D. 500 bp. The correct answer is 500 bp. If the probability of incorporation of a gene A from a bacterial cell that has lysed in the medium is A, and the probability of incorporation of another gene B from the same bacteria that has lysed is B, what is the probability of one recipient receiving both AAB, BAB, CAXB, DAB? The correct answer is AXB. If the gene's order in bacteria is his galmate, which of the following genes have the least probability of getting incorporated alone? A. All have equal probability. B. Met. C. gal. D. his. The correct answer is gal. Probability of incorporation of a gene P is 0.2 and the probability of incorporation of another gene is 0.1. The probability of both being incorporated is seen experimentally to be equal to 0.1. What is our inference? A. Both the genes are incorporated randomly. B. The genes are linked. C. The bacteria has a preference for the two gene. D. It was just an artifact. The correct answer is the genes are linked. In an experiment you have a U-tube with two strains of bacteria in two arms. In one arm the bacteria are gal and his, in other the strain is gal and his. If the two arms are joined by a membrane that doesn't allow bacterial cells to pass to opposite site, what will you observe when you plate each arm bacterial strain on minimal media? A. None will grow. B. Some colonies seen in right arm. C. Some colonies seen in left arm. D. Some colonies seen in both arms. The correct answer is some colonies seen in both arms. If co-incorporation probabilities are given as P or 0.1 or R 0.02 P R 0.15, what is the gene order? A. ORP. B. OPR. C. ROP. D. Can T be determined due to insufficient data? The correct answer is OPR. Which of the following species has natural competence? A. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. B. Staphylococcus aeruginosa. C. Gelidium corneum. D. Streptococcus pneumoniae. The correct answer is Streptococcus pneumoniae. Competence can be generated in some strains of non-competent bacteria by A. Treating them with chitinous. B. By treating them with penicillin. C. By electroporation. D. By centrifugation. The correct answer is by electroporation. If a bacterium is heterozygous for a gene, then will both the genes have an equal probability of incorporation? A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false. State whether it is true or false. Broad-scale mapping can be done using transformation. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false.